So in order to grind, which I don't know if you people, I mean, no, most of you probably know how to do it, but people have their own ways, you know. All I did is take a piece of the plastic that was once on here and I snipped some of it because I do like the manual labor, like I told you, and kind of just snip at it a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and get this show on the run. You know, go ahead and get this show on the road here. So we're gonna start with this one here, which I had already started, as you can see. So I'm taking a soda iron and I'm going right here, right in between the, it makes perfect sense to go all the way down. It doesn't matter if you poke all the way through it, it's fine, you know. So that's why I believe it's imperative to go all the way around so they can melt with each other, just like that. And this will create a better bond. And I'm gonna fill all this in with all this plastic and stuff I have here. This is about the best technique. You also need this one right here without the tip. You can just take it out, unscrew it. Now let's see if this is hot enough. Oh yeah. Then what you do, you go over here and get some what we're doing now. We're gonna go ahead and mount this at a PCV valve. We're gonna use some JB Weld for this. So I'll set this right here. All I need is a little bit. I'm also probably gonna use it for my brake booster too. Probably be the best thing to use it for. Mix it in there real good. I'm going to apply it in this area here. So I'll take the PCV valve. If I can find out what the hell I did to it. Try to make sure it don't get in there. Just kind of pick it up like that. And keep in mind, I'm going to plastic weld this in. And I want it to come at an angle about like this. So go ahead, just put it on just like that. Kind of rock it back and forth, get it in there. Here's the painstaking part here. Apply a little bit here. Now, got my map sensor built up. If you look inside here, I built up the wall pretty good. The map sensor, I tested it. It does fit perfectly. It might not be the prettiest thing you ever seen in your life, but it damn sure works. And I like the wall I built because, you know, since this curves over, I'm gonna have it, you know, contoured to it a little bit. Set it up in the middle just like that. Let's see, can we look in there? When I weld it, it's gonna be nothing but wall. Check it out. Build up enough plastic weld around here, and then once you put it on top, you can use the soldering iron to melt it on in there and get it as flat as you can. Now this area is lower, but that's okay because it's still, let's see if I can look in there, it still is flush against the intake. So, got the intake all taken care of with the necessary components. I have my PCV valve there, mount sensor I made, brake booster, and I don't think I need this one, but we'll see. So basically, now it's time to put, I'm going to use JD Weld as a bundle on this project. And I think this should work. Definitely want to make them. You want to make it even. You lose a lot of rigidity, and then you also have, you know, situations where guys get pinholes in them. They use certain bundles, which look great, but I'm going with some hard stuff here.